Hi, how are you all? I have been releasing a lot of gaming related videos lately, so today we're going to switch it up and I welcome you back for one more installment for VTubers. This one is for VTubers who want to be in VRChat with their VTuber avatar. You can easily add your VTuber avatar to VRChat using Unity. In this simple and fast tutorial, I'm going to show you how. I'm always looking toward finding simple and free ways around limitations by thinking outside the box and helping people like you to do it too. So if that interests you, hit that bell and subscribe to my channel for more. Here we go. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to quickly add all your VTuber VRM files into VRChat so you can use your VTuber and hang out in the metaverse. Now I'll share my 15 steps I used to add my VTuber VRM file into VRChat. Fast and easy, so you don't have to figure it out alone. So step one will be that we open Unity. And once you have the description below, you'll have downloaded the correct version of Unity. And you want to make sure that it is the correct version so that when you open it, it will look like this. Part one, because we don't know what's going to happen. I've had issues with this in the past. Okay. Step two, we'll start a new project. You can name that project whatever you like. I named my project Upload VRM VTuber to VRChat. Step 3 is we right-click inside the Assets window, which is down here in the Project tab. So we'll do that now. I right-click and I go to Import Package, and then I go to Custom Package. We will click on Import. So now it will show us a tab. It is going to say here in between component and window, VRChat SDK. Okay. Once that is there in Unity, step 7 is we will right-click Assets again and click Import Package, and then click Custom Package. This one is going to be called VRM Converter for VRChat. Stick around because we're halfway through. We'll click Import at the bottom when that pops up, and that one will be a VRM0 tab, and that's going to be in between where it says Uni, GLTF, and Window at the top. I will show a screenshot. This VRMO tab we're going to be using for the next part of this process. If you made it to the end of the video, I'd love to see you comment so I know that you were able to learn this whole thing. So leave a message or a comment if you get to the end of the video. Will you make it? Let's find out. Now on your screen you should see this will populate here. UniGLTF at VRM0 and Windows. And now we get to the good stuff. So here we will be clicking on VRM0. And what we're going to do is we're going to find our VRM or our VRoid avatar, our VTuber, and we're going to click on Import. We select our avatar, click on Save. All right, and as you can see, there's the asset. So all we're going to do is click once on the asset. Okay, we're almost done. The final step is we're going to select our avatar. We clicked save already. So we're going to click again on the VRMO tab. And then we're going to check off duplicate and convert for VRChat. This is going to bring up a window. We don't need to change anything in here. So we're just going to click duplicate and convert. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? So now we're going to make sure that we select the prefab. It's going to do its thing with loading and such. And look, we're starting to show up here. So we will scroll down to VRC avatar descriptor. And then it says something that's very important, view position. We will need to adjust the camera between the avatar's eyes so that we can see in VRChat. We should see a little gray dot. Sometimes it is in the avatar. This first time will be a little tricky. This takes some practice in searching for. And they are found by us using the VR avatar descriptor. And we're going to enter the following. So for position, we're going to enter 0. For Y, we're going to try 1.5. There is a size requirement for VRChat. So you do want to make sure if your avatar is matching with that size requirement. And I have an image that I can show of that. So now we continue to look for the dot and make sure that that gets right up into our face, because this is where you're going to see when you use Oculus or any other type of VR. When the viewpoint is complete, we're going to just go back to clicking on VRChat SDK, and we're going to click on the control panel to show the control panel. And over here, we'll basically enter in our VRChat information. You will see the builder open up. Click on Build and Publish for Windows. And now Unity will begin building our prefab version for VRChat so that our VTuber can be inside there, which you guys can clearly see here. And from there, we're done. And as you can see behind here, it is asking us to name our avatar. Okay, this is saying what can Venus do in VRChat. So nudity, realistic violence, blood and gore. I'm not gonna check any of these, and then we'll go into VRChat and test it out. The most important part that I have found about doing this is basically the view position. And sometimes there has been issues with finding the view position. If that's you, leave me a comment below and I'll be able to try and help you with that. I also will add some screenshots to a PDF that I'm going to upload in the description below as well. I hope that this has been a huge help to you guys, and we're done. Just like that. If you have any questions or you made it to the end of the video, leave me a comment down below so that I can know that you've been watching, continue to make content for you guys, and I appreciate you coming by. Tune in for the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.